Hey, what's up guys? It's Freddie. I am here with the Power Fisha 14. I apologize, it's been so long since I got this thing and I haven't even put it in the water. But I finally got all the safety equipment, got it registered, got it legal, everything is good to go. And I'm just gonna give you a quick walkthrough. So from the bow, you have your hard rigid plastic handle. This guy can support all the weight for the entire vessel. The thing only weighs like 90 pounds, so it's super light. And then you add your motor. This is a 6 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. I think it weighs 57 pounds. Even with the motor, you can grab here at the handle and the rear and lift it and carry it. Right here is your anchor point for your trailer ratchet. Okay, so that's built in just like a regular boat. Moving along, here we have the front hatch. If you have a Stealth kayak, or if you know someone, or if you've ever seen, this latch system is exactly the same as the Stealth kayak latch system. So super easy. This is not a dry hatch. It does have a drain in here, but you can put all your stuff in here that is okay to get wet, right? So not a big deal. Standard hatch. It has drains here, so you want to look over there. That will drain out just like that. So we'll keep that closed. Moving on back, we have pad eyes for your rod tie down. So 2 rod holders up forward and then 2 rod holders in the back. And right here in the center, we have a real dry hatch. So this guy is a dry hatch. So inside of here, I have my phone and my wallet and my toolkit, and that stuff's gonna stay dry no matter what. So that can't get wet. So we're good to go on that. Moving on aft, I keep my Stealth paddle here. It is pretty easy to paddle. So you know, if you're running out of gas, or if you're fishing in shore like we are today, I can actually just turn the motor off and paddle around and make my way pretty fine. I do have some non-stick deck pad here, and then that goes along the sides here. There is a box that is optional on these guys that goes here, and that would actually bolt in. That's why there's no deck pad in between there. If you're not familiar with Ditch Pack, they make these sweet little packs for you know, just survival kits, just in case you get stranded. They use stuff. So like if you had to survive on your vessel without a motor for a couple of days, everything you need is in there. I won't leave the dock without that. Sweet new igloo cooler full of bionic baits. And then here, a little 3-gallon gas tank. Oh, also the two rear, what do you call these?
Rod holders?
I also have the 2 rear rod holders here ready to go. When I'm trolling, I would put them probably in the back from trolling. I haven't really fished up this thing yet. And then more deck padding, and then the rear pickup handle. This guy is a beast. And when I get my fish finder, this is where I'll attach my my fish finder transducer. Yeah, they call it a transducer nowadays. And it's already pre-drilled for cables, right? So from here, my transducer cable will just go into the hull and then right back up to that front hatch that I showed you earlier. This way you don't even actually have to drill the thing. Although you can, it's perfectly fine to drill anything you want in here. You can put speakers on it, you can put lights on it, you can put whatever you want. The thing is ready to rig. And that's one of the benefits of fiberglass, because you know, if this thing was foam or if it was plastic, it might not be as easy to just drill holes in it and run wires and cables and stuff. So yeah, that's it, man. We're gonna get out on the water and go check out Stealth Kayaks USA. You can check these out. There's also a 16-foot version. This is the 14-foot version. And if you want to order one of these, get in touch with me pretty quick, because we have a shipment coming in, leaving Africa in June. So, oh no, I'm sorry, leaving Africa in July. So if you want to pre-order, let me know, and we will get you on the list. There's only going to be another like maybe 10 coming in on this shipment. So if you want one, get one. Go to Ditch Pack. Go to ditchpack.com, railblazer.com for all your cool everything needs. And yeah, man, see you guys on the water. Let's do it.